Very warm and healthy good morning to all of the bright stars of this literary group. Today I'm gonna give you a lecture on the topic the difference between tragedy and comedy. So before discussing the topic in detail, we should know what is tragedy and what is comedy and from where they come. Right? So as we know, drama is a literary drama or play is a literary genre. Okay, so there are three types of drama: tragedy, comedy, and tragicomedy. Now, tragedy, a serious, solemn play based on important social, personal, religious issue. I'm giving you shortly the description, then I will discuss in detail. Okay, so what we get: a serious, solemn play. Tragedy is a serious, solemn play based on an important social, personal, or religious issue. Clear? Serious. We should know tragedy contains serious actions. Okay, and comedy. Comedy means a play that shows the humorous actions of characters when they try to solve social, personal, or religious problems. Humorous actions will be there in comedy. And what is tragicomedy? A play containing, elements of both comedy and tragedy. Okay. Now I am discussing in detail what is comedy. Comedy is the genre of literature which amuses the audience by humor. Okay, it will give you amusement. It will give the audience amusement by humor and goes on with happy ending. And the ending of the play will be happy. But in tragedy, the ending will be what? Sad. Clear? Okay, so comedies are not only part of bringing laughter, they also educate people, but in a pleasant environment. So they also do have troubles and climax, but they never creates chaos among audience, and even the antagonist is not as ferocious as in genre of tragedy. Clear? Okay, but we will here. Comedy has so many genres, as we know. You can say comedy of humors, comedy of manners, sentimental comedy, restoration comedy, and one thing that a comedy can further be divided in these subgenres also, like satire, burlesque, comedy of manners, and farce and all. Okay, now we will discuss about tragedy. Tragedy is the genre of literature which has serious story, I told you before, with a sad ending. In comedy there was happy ending, and in tragedy we will get sad ending. Okay, it is an intense kind of story which is all about the crucial evils and troubles. Generally in tragedy the antagonist is ferocious than in comedies. Like if we see in Hamlet, Macbeth, Romeo Juliet, Othello, King Lear, a few of the famous tragedies plays being written by Shakespeare I'm telling about. So you will get these elements. Through the story, it has some certain seriousness as it shows the protagonist in troubles. But as the story unfolds, it even gets more troubling. Okay, resulting is the sad and depressed ending. So what is the difference between comedy and tragedy? Comedy is the genre which has a happy and vibrant ending, whereas tragedy is the genre which has a depressed and sorrowful ending. This is the most important point. And if we see, comedy has elements like light-hearted talks, lively characters, amusing display of incidents, and much more. While tragedy has elements like serious crisis or troubles. So, and the protagonist, if we say protagonist of the tragedy and comedy, the protagonist of comedy is called comic hero, whereas the protagonist of tragedy is called tragic hero. Clear? So I will discuss in the next lecture about the Shakespearean tragedy. Okay. So for today.